Yes, let's open from here. What is there inside? Even Aveer could pull it off so easily. Ooh. What is this? Okay, let's open and find out. Okay. So as always, packaging Aveer, full. Yes! Wow. Open. Okay, let's open. Okay, so we have to open from here. You open this, Mama will open this. See? Yes! Wow! What a packaging! So we get 2 boxes inside. Lovely. We got 2 boxes and such a colorful box. Okay. And see what is there. This I will take later. Okay, we have got a charger.
We got charger.
Charger, and we've got
Mama studio.
instructions.
Mama studio, Mama.
Wow, so nice.
We got new charger for Mama.
We got new charger for Mama. Yes, this is Mama's watch charger.
Oh.
Okay, let's open it later. Now let's see what is inside this. Okay, Aveer. Pull it up from here. Here. Yes. Good job. Let's see what is inside this. Big. Wow. So we get my favorite colored straps. So this is a pink, candy baby pink color. And this is a big one. I think I will not need it. I mean, this is an extra spare one. Let's keep it back, okay? So right now I'm taking these 2. And let's keep it aside. And now comes the main part. This is rose gold. It's so pretty. Wow. So pretty. Lovely. Wow, wait, let Mama join. So now I'm gonna put it inside. Wow. Okay, wait for Mama. Wait for Mama. It's whose watch, Aveer? Mama's watch. Wow, this was so easy to assemble. I just put it in and it's there. And here it is, my new Apple Watch. Whose is this? It's Mama's. So Aveer won't touch it, right? Whose is this? Yeah, this is whose? It's whose? It's Mama's. Okay, so here it goes. Wow, so beautiful. So pretty. Aveer, this is Mama's. It's very nice. I love it. No spoiling. You have to open from here, Baru. Yes, this is the charger. It comes without the adapter. Aveer, wait. You have to wait for Mama. No pushing and no pulling. Okay, so this is Mama's watch charger. Okay, Aveer?
I got it.
Yes, this is so nice. Okay, so acha, is this of Mama, right? So Aveer will not touch Mama's watch?
Yes.
Okay, Aveer will only put for charging, right Aveer?